Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So as you all know that we uploaded a Bhutan vlog some time ago, and if you haven't checked it out yet, you may check it out as it's available in the description box below. So basically this recipe, potato cheese chili, we got it from our friend from Bhutan. It is a very yummy and tasty recipe with a little bit of spiciness to it. So according to your taste buds, you can adjust your spiciness as you like it. Do taste the recipe, try it out, and support our channel by liking the video and subscribing to our channel. Love you guys. So for this recipe, we will need chopped capsicum, chopped onions, some green chilies or chopped green chilies, potatoes, sliced carrots or diced, mozzarella and cheddar cheese, and the normal cheese. This basically recipe is a very cheesy one, so you will need cheese, and that is a must. Add water, chopped potatoes, salt, and ghee. You can also add oil in place of ghee. Now after letting the potatoes boil for some time, add carrots, onions, capsicums, and the best ever ingredient, cheese. Now what we have done here is we have added mozzarella cheese and the normal cheese. What you can do is grate the normal cheese and add it so it can melt well and mix well, and then accordingly add green chilies and salt as per your taste. If you want it less spicy, add less green chilies. So guys, as you can see, this all have come together very well, and this looks cheesy as well. One thing you can do is avoid adding the whole cube of cheese. Instead, use grated cheese, or else you can grate it by your hand and add pepper, and you can have it with this cooked rice, or else if you prefer to have it alone, that is also fine. And guys, support our channel by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Love you. Thank you.